Welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Talk, where we delve into the latest innovations and tools reshaping our digital world. Today, we're diving into something that might just change the way you think about gaming on the go: MiceWine. So, have you ever wished you could run your favorite Windows applications or games straight from your Android smartphone? Well, that's precisely what MiceWine aims to do. It's a project that uses a specialized version of Wine, which is an open-source compatibility layer that allows you to run Windows applications on other operating systems. Now you might be wondering, what's Wine? Well, it's akin to a translator that helps Windows apps communicate with non-Windows environments. MiceWine takes it a step further by customizing this for Android, effectively bringing a slice of Windows into the palm of your hand. The developers are constantly pushing out updates to enhance compatibility and performance. One of the standout features is its usage of an X server based on Termux X11, making it easier for Android devices, particularly those running Android 10 and above, to host these Windows applications seamlessly. Pretty cool, right? But let's get into the nitty-gritty. What about GPU support? If you're gaming on Android, you'll want to know how well your device can handle graphics. MiceWine supports several GPU drivers, especially the Adreno series. Think of it like having a turbo boost when you're running complex games or applications. For instance, the Adreno 7X series supports both Turnip and Zinc drivers, which offer robust and optimized performance. Meanwhile, the Adreno 6XX models are also on board with similar support, and even other GPUs have partial support, although that's still a work in progress. Speaking of which, native Vulkan support on non-Adreno GPUs is still in the experimental stage. This could be a game changer, quite literally, but as with all early-stage technology, it requires some on-the-ground testing to see how stable or effective it is. So, what does this mean for mobile gamers and enthusiasts? Imagine being able to play your favorite Windows-exclusive games anywhere, be it on the subway, at a coffee shop, or even in your living room. It opens up a world of possibilities, bridging the gap between mobile and desktop gaming. And let's not forget about the community aspect. MiceWine thrives on third-party open-source applications. Not only does it leverage the best features from Box64, WineHQ, Termux X11, and Mesa, but it also invites developers to participate in this collaborative ecosystem. As we wrap up, consider this. Technology constantly evolves, and the barriers between different platforms are gradually diminishing. MiceWine is just one of the innovative projects paving the way for a more integrated experience between mobile and desktop worlds. Before we sign off, let's ponder this question. How far are you willing to take mobile gaming, and what do you think the future holds for projects like MiceWine? Keep that in mind as you explore your next gaming session. That's it for today's episode of Tech Talk. Stay tuned for our next discussion, where we'll continue to explore the fascinating junctions of technology,